Hey, Jorik from Hudson Valley Bee Supply with you here today. We are here to show you how to assemble a wooden frame for a plastic foundation. This works the same no matter what size frame and foundation, a medium, a shallow, a deep, it all works basically the same. So, our frame consists of 4 pieces. We have a top bar, and the top bar for a plastic foundation has a groove in the top. There is no removable wedge bar. So it's just a groove. Same for your bottom bar, just a groove, no slot, that's for wax. And then you have your end bars. And the thing about your end bars is you'll notice a wide saddle in the top and a narrow saddle for your bottom bar. So they correspond, just like that. And you can't really mix it up. They don't work the other way. So top bars go in, and the only way to mess it up is you could have the groove on the outside, but as long as your grooves are pointing towards the center here, you should be okay. All right, so that's what we're gonna end up with our frame. Now, the thing about it is, you're gonna need to nail this together. If you got the kit from us, it'll come with an 1¼ wire nail like this one. And it's 2 nails in the top bar, 1 nail in the bottom bar. And by all means, glue your frames together. The nails are really there just to hold it until the glue dries, because the glue is doing the work. And the absolute worst thing that you can do is pry out a frame full of brood, and you go to lever it out and you rip your top bar off because it's not glued down. It's just such a drag. I'll save you the trouble. Use the Type-On 3. It is the ultimate wood glue. So that's it. 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Glue it together real nice. Take your foundation. If it's a deep foundation, most have a perforated corner like this. Go ahead and break that right off. That acts as a pass-through. Your bees like to walk through the corners like that. So we give them that chance, and you just set this in the bottom. Just a little light pressure, boom, pops right in. That's all there is to it. You'll notice it's coated in like a fine film of beeswax. That really gets your bees attracted to it. We also spray them with sugar syrup when we're putting them in the hive, and the bees like that a lot. And so that's really all there is to it. Wooden frames and plastic foundations.